Mae hyfforddiant iechyd a lles anifeiliaid newydd sydd ar ei gweill yn cynnig hyfforddiant i ffermwyr ddod ar gwrs hefo y milfeddyg. Mae o'n gwrs o 2 awr a dyn maen nhw yn medru sôn am gwahanol bynciau ac rhoi gwybodaeth cyfredol ymysg gwahanol bethau.
As a veterinary surgery, we've subscribed to Lantra and we're involved in delivering the farmer meetings. In terms of trying to make your farm and your business more profitable, it's important that farmers are more proactive about trying to prevent disease and problems on the farm and get more on board with preventative animal health.
I was invited about a month ago to the workshop in Lles Rugby Club, and I felt that it was a chance that I had to take, because there's always something to learn all the time. As a result of the workshop, I'm going to work more closely with my local vets. There's so much talk about the worm resistance and all that, so it's important that we get it right, really. And the last thing we want as farmers is a resistance in our flocks. So a lot of things you can do to prevent that, really. So it's good to recap and refresh the memory.
Mae'r gweithdai yn ffitio fewn y werth chweil hefo pethau eraill sydd ar gael. Mae gyrsiau hyfforddiant hefyd, a mae hyd at 80% o grant i gael tuag at hyfforddiant hefo trochi defed a sydd i waredu'r trwyth ac yn y blaen.
Essentially, the more help farmers can get in terms of helping them to be proactive about flock health and herd health in the future, the better, really. And so this is a good opportunity for farmers to come to meetings, discuss any issues they've got, become, as I say, better educated about ways to try to help in the future to get more on top of herd biosecurity, flock biosecurity, and management of diseases within the farm as well.
Well, it's worth going to the workshops, really. It's only an afternoon, so as I said, there's always something to learn, and you'll go home with some benefits, definitely.